We'll guide you through how to fix WhatsApp not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when WhatsApp isn't working correctly, so we'll guide you through some different methods you can use to try fixing this. To go and get started, let's try restarting WhatsApp. To do that, you come down to the bottom. Where you see the bar, you want to go and slowly drag up, not too much though, and then what you can do is go and swipe up on it. That'll go and close it. Then what you can do is go and open it up again and go and see if the problem is fixed. If it is, then great. If it isn't, then what you want to do is come out of it and open up your settings. Here you want to scroll down and find General and press iPhone Storage. Scroll down and press Show All and find WhatsApp. And what we can then do is try offloading it, so tap that and confirm your decision. Don't worry, your messages will be kept, but it will go and uninstall it. Then what we can do is go and press reinstall. When it's back, you can then go and open it up and go and see if the problem is solved. Hopefully it is. If it still isn't, then you want to come back to your settings again and come back to the main page. Scroll to the bottom and find apps, and at the top press search and go and type in WhatsApp, like so, and you can tap on it. You want to make sure that it goes and has the permissions that it asks for. As you can see, I've got these enabled here. See if that solves a problem. If it still doesn't, it's worth opening up Safari or another web browser and type in "is WhatsApp down?" You can go to a site like Down Detector. If there's a huge spike right here, it's a sign that there's actually an outage and you will just need to wait for the problem to be resolved.